Once upon a time, deep in the enchanted forest, 3 little rabbits hopped along together when they discovered something amazing! A giant orange carrot! Each rabbit wanted the delicious carrot for themselves, but they couldn't agree on who saw it first. Then, the smartest rabbit had a wonderful idea. Let's have 3 races, and whoever wins gets the carrot. But hiding nearby was a sneaky wolf named Jack, who was very hungry and had a different plan. He wanted to catch all 3 rabbits for his dinner, so Jack hurried ahead and dug a deep trap, covering it with leaves. The first race began. A running contest through the forest. The 3 rabbits zoomed so fast they kicked up a cloud of dust and leapt right over Jack's hidden pit. Jack was so shocked that his trap failed. So he tried the trap himself and fell into his own trap. For the second race, they had a jumping contest. But Jack had secretly changed the direction signs to lead them toward a swamp. The rabbits worked together, helped each other across slippery stones, and freed a friend who got stuck. For the final race, they held a swimming contest at the riverbank. Jack tried more tricks, crispy lettuce and a net, and even disguised himself as a giant carrot at the finish line. A passing farmer found Jack first, and thinking it was a real carrot, carried him away, shouting with surprise. "Help! I'm not a carrot!" Jack cried. When the 3 rabbits reached the finish at the same time, they realized they had all tied. They decided to share the giant carrot equally because the best prize was their friendship. They laughed and celebrated under the warm forest sun, sharing bites and promising more adventures together happily.